Hi friends, this is Chetan. Today I am going to tell you about how to calculate the weight of PCC blocks, RCC blocks, brick blocks. Okay. Before calculating its weights, we must know what is PCC, RCC and bricks. PCC is nothing but the plain cement concrete. When reinforcement is not used in a concrete, that concrete is called as a PCC. This type of concrete is used in a foundation where soil is soft and flexible. You may see in picture that foundation there is soft soil in that foundation, so we use the PCC concrete in that to resist some weight, to harden that soil. And also second picture shows that the village road means where more load cannot be transferred, and then we used PCC road. The density of the concrete is 2400 cubic meter for PCC only. Now what is RCC? RCC is nothing but the reinforced cement concrete. The reinforcement used in the concrete is called as a reinforced cement concrete. Now you can see in picture that the columns are casted with reinforcement, and also the foundation of the dam is also casted in a reinforced cement concrete. This type of concrete is used in slab, beam, column, chhajja, etc. Now the density of that concrete is 2300 to 2700 kg per cubic meter, but we consider mostly it is 2500 kg per cubic meter. Now bricks. You all know bricks. The bricks are used for construction of wall. The density of bricks is 1600 to 1920 kg per cubic meter. Now using these all densities, we are going to calculate the weight. Now what is density is equal to mass by volume, and mass is equal to density into volume. Now using this formula we can calculate the weight of PCC and RCC and bricks. Okay. What is let here consider the volume of block is 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Means we will take a cube which volume is 1 cubic meter, and we know the density of PCC and RCC and bricks. Okay. Now weight is equal to density into volume. Now put these values in that formula, and we'll get the volume of weight of PCC is 2400 kg per meter cube, kg only. The weight of RCC is 2500 kg, and weight of bricks is 1900 kg in that cubic meter only. Okay. Now we can calculate also the weight of slab. Now calculate the weight of slab. We have the dimension of slab is 15 meter width, 10 meter length, and 0.125 meter thickness. Don't consider this diagram, this is not up to the scale. Okay. Now we will put these values in volume formula. 15 into 10 into 0.125 we will get the value as 18.75 cubic meter. Now the density of the RCC we know 2500 kg per cubic meter, kg per meter cube. Now weight is equal to density into volume. The weight of RCC slab is equal to 2500 into 18.75 is equal to 46,875 kgs, means 46.875 ton. This much is weight of your slab of dimensions is 15 by 10 meters. 15 meters means multiply it by 3 for the 45 feet, and 10 is multiplied with 30 feet. 30 feet by 45 feet dimension of slab is about 46.875 tons. Okay. Thank you.